guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I have posted on YouTube a long format video. So here I am, and today I have planned to recreate Alia Bhatt's iconic Cannes look, which is in this Gucci sari. I'm sure you all have seen this look and I am just obsessed. So I wanted to recreate this, and she has posted some pictures on her Instagram handle where we can clearly see how the makeup looks. So we'll try to get here today. Let me take you through the process and also explain you everything in detail. So this is going to be a very detailed, like a full-fledged makeup tutorial. So I hope you'll like this. So as you can see, it's a very bold look and mostly the face is very chiseled. So हम काफी सारा कॉन्टोर यूज करने वाले हैं इसके अंदर. लिप्स भी काफी सटल सॉफ्ट हैं, बट जो ज्यादा बोल्ड हैं वो ज्यादा आईज. लेट्स सी स्टेप बाय स्टेप हाउ वी गेट थ्रू इट. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस कंसीलर टू प्रेप माई आईज. तो इसके लिए आप कोई भी कंसीलर ले सकते हो. हल्का सा एक शेड लाइट होगा तो इट विल जस्ट हेल्प सारे कलर्स अच्छे से पॉप होंगे. एंड ऑल्सो रिमेंबर कि आप जब इसको ब्लेंड करो तो अपनी ब्राउ बोन तक सब कवर कर लो, बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द बेस ऑफ आवर आई शैडो. जितने अच्छे से हम ये स्टेप करेंगे उतने अच्छे से हमारे आई शैडोज पॉप करेंगे. सो इसके बाद वी हैव टू सेट इट विद अ पाउडर. आप कोई भी पाउडर यूज कर सकते हो और यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज समथिंग लाइक दिस आई शैडो जो कि आपके स्किन कलर से मैच होता है. सो वेरी लाइटली आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ब्रश इट ऑफ. आई एम टेकिंग अ वेरी फ्लफी ब्रश लाइक दिस एंड हम लोग इससे अपनी क्रीज डिफाइन करेंगे एंड विल स्टार्ट विद द ब्राउन टोन्स एंड the crease is right where you can feel your eyebrow bone. So I'm starting with a shade like this, which is a medium tone brown, and then slowly we'll go darker. So काफी soft hands है, windshield motions and little circles. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush, again a fluffy brush, and take a darker color and work on the outer V. So now whenever you are working with a dark shade, please take a smaller brush because we don't want कि सारा color पूरी eyes में smudge हो जाए. So we need to be precise with this. So just on the outer corner and जो भी color बचा है उसी से मैं उसको eyes के अंदर तक ले जाऊंगी. I am not dipping the brush again and again because it's a very pigmented color. So we can clearly see in this picture that आलिया भट्ट ने अपने इनर कॉर्नर के अंदर डार्क शेड्स अप्लाई करें जो यूजुअली हम नहीं करते, बट लेट्स डू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट शी हैज डन हियर सो दैट वी कैन गेट एज क्लोज एज टू दिस लुक एज वी कैन. सो नाउ विद द सेम ब्रश, एंड मैंने इसको दोबारा कलर में डिप नहीं किया है बिकॉज इट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ कलर इन इट. सो आई विल जस्ट स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग इट ऑन माई इनर कॉर्नर एज वेल, वेरी लाइटली, वेरी जेंटली, बिकॉज वी डोंट वॉन्ट दिस टू गो एवरीवेयर, अदरवाइज ये बहुत जल्दी मैसी लगना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो विद वॉट एवर दैट इज लेफ्ट ऑन द ब्रश मैं बस उसी से कलर ऐड कर रही हूँ. नाउ जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट एवरीथिंग इज ब्लेंडेड वेल टुगेदर, मैं एक बड़ा सा क्लीन फ्लफी ब्रश लूंगी एंड देन मैं एक बार अपनी क्रीज को इससे ब्लेंड कर दूंगी सो दैट अगर कुछ भी हार्श लाइंस रह गई हैं एंड कहीं भी अगर ब्लेंड नहीं हुआ है, नाउ इज द टाइम वील ब्लेंड इट ऑल टुगेदर. जितना ही मेकअप सुंदर लगता है उतना ही ईजी है करने में, विच इज वाई we have already done the base. अब हमारा सिर्फ एक shimmer part रह गया and we are almost done with the eye look. So she has used a very bronzy shade on her eyes. It's not too golden. So I have this shade right here in this palette from Huda Beauty. So I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to use a very small thin brush so that हम इससे precise application कर पाए. So एक बारी roughly आपने ड्रॉ कर लिया एक लाइन, सो यूल हैव एन आइडिया कि आपको शिमर कहाँ तक लगाना है. बट द बेस्ट एप्लीकेशन फॉर दीज शिमर्स इज विद योर फिंगर्स. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक सम ऑन माई फिंगर एंड सेंटर में अच्छे से लगा दूंगी. नाउ फॉर द काजल आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन फ्रॉम मैक. नाउ विद दिस लुक आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कर सकते हैं जो आपके पास अवेलेबल है. We are not really focusing on the products, but techniques are important. So I will try to teach you all the techniques to achieve this kind of a look. So I hope you are able to recreate this and I would love to see all your recreations. So now we are going to apply the kajal in the waterline as well as on the lash line, and we'll try कि हम इसको initially थोड़ा thin ही रखें so that when we blend it out तो वो अपने आप थोड़ा थिक हो जाएगा. अगर आप पहले ही काफी थिक लाइनर एंड काजल लगा लेते हो एंड देन यू स्मज इट, देयर आर चांसेस कि आई लुक पूरा मैसी हो जाएगा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले सेफ हियर. Don't worry if the kajal is coming out of your waterline because we are going to smudge it anyway. Now I'm taking an angular brush like this to smudge the liner and kajal that we just did. So with light back and forth motions, you can easily smudge this. And हल्का सा इसको हम लास्ट में extend भी करेंगे for that little wing. You can clearly see how much depth and detail this has given to the eyes. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye and the back. So we have gotten really close to the Alia Bhatt's look that we are trying to recreate here. Just mascara is left and we are done. Then we'll get on to the base and I'm sure the final look is going to be just amazing. I'm using the Maybelline mascara and I'm going to coat my lashes really well with this. Whenever we are doing like a smoky eye and using lots of brown shades, just make sure you put lots of mascara because it just takes the look to another level. So I'm going to do exactly that. I don't make the weird faces while applying mascara, in case you were waiting for that. Now I'm quickly going to do my base off camera because there are not much techniques involved when it's about the concealer and the foundation. You can use it like the usual way you do it, your normal foundation routine. I'm going to be back when we have to do the contour and the blush because that's where the real technique is, ताकि उससे एक वो chiseled look आए जैसे कि हमने आलिया भट्ट की look में देखा है. So I'll be back in no time. She has a little bit of blush but there's a lot of bronzing on her face. So we'll start with the bronzer around here in like a 3. If you know about this viral technique where you apply your bronzer like a 3. So we'll do that. And for the blush, I can see that she has started very close to her nose and the mouth and then taken it upwards. So that's exactly what we will do. I'm using the OG Hoola bronzer and taking good amounts of it. I am just going to start from the cheekbone. And I'll blend it upwards because we want that lifted chiseled look, so we won't blend anything downwards, we'll always take it upwards. Again blending it really well ताकि वो एक line की तरह ना दिखे, but at the same time it gives the shadows that we need for that sharp look. A little bit on the forehead because after foundation हमारे face की real shadows सब चली जाती है, so to have that back we are going to put some here. Now whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to apply it where I'm going to apply my blush also because her bronzer and the blush are very nicely blended together. So to give that effect, I'm just going to do like this. Now for the blush, grab any peach blush that you have. Avoid any pinks because there are no pinks for this look. We are going to use only peaches and browns. So I'm grabbing this blush from Kiko Milano and I'm going to use the matte side of it. So we'll start somewhere here. Can you see that? How gorgeous it looks. We'll take some more and now I'm going to go closer to my mouth area like she has. And yeah, we are not going to overdo the blush, but at the same time there should be enough to give you that sun-kissed look. I'm going to take it a little upwards on the temple area. Now for that highlight, I'm going to cheat a little and we are going to use the same pigment that we used on the eye because जो भी highlight आलिया भट्ट ने use किया है, it's very fine. It's not like जो आपके particles होते हैं highlighter के अंदर, it's not like that. It's something very subtle and काफी bronzy shade भी है. So I'm going to go in with the same pigment. मैं कुछ वैसा ही चाहिए. So rather than just going ahead with the highlighter and उसको match करें हम उस shade से, हम थोड़ा सा cheat करके वही shade अपने cheeks पे use कर सकते हैं, but very little of it just for that slight sun-kissed glow. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to melt it really well because मुझे patchy look नहीं चाहिए and just apply it here. You can see how subtle that looks. We are done with the makeup. We're just left with the lipstick, and I'm very happy with how this look has turned out. It's looking very similar to what Alia Bhatt did for the cans, and I can see why the obsession, because it just looks very sultry. Now for the lips, she has not done much. हमने काफी subtle रखना है अपने lips को. It's a brown lip shade that she has used. No overlining, nothing. So I have the perfect shade for this. I'm using this lipstick from L'Oreal. It's a very similar brown shade that Alia Bhatt has applied in her look. So I'm going to apply this. मैं इस लिपस्टिक को ज़्यादा लेयर नहीं करने वाली because what she has applied is a very soft color. अपनी फिंगर से डैप करके वी कैन ऑल्सो गिव अ वेरी सॉफ्ट लुक टू एनी लिप कलर, एंड जो भी एक्सेस होगा वो आपकी फिंगर्स पे आ जाएगा. सो आई एम डूइंग एग्जैक्टली दैट. या दिस नाउ लुक्स लाइक अ टिंट, not too strong, not too heavy, very light subtle color, and I think I love the look. I'll be back to show you the final look. Just wait. I hope you enjoyed this full-fledged makeup tutorial, and if this is something that you'd want me to do more of, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to do more of these makeup tutorials and help you achieve your flawless base and that perfect makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this post, and I'll see you in the next one.